we have something on our technical analysis tab for each coin called the visual trends indicator. What this does is it follows the trend, helps you get in early, uses machine learning and AI to eliminate false signals, which helps keep you in the trade when it's pumping, but also has the ability to get you out quickly before the really big dumps. Okay. If you look at, say, the P&L that we generate, which we show on the site, or the returns rather, not investment advice, but the machine learning and this combination of trend following and, believe it or not, like volatility and all these different factors give you a way to follow trends, get in and out, okay, efficiently without too much emotion. I know we can't take all the emotion out of crypto, but we can take some of it out.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.